Look at this equity curve. It's smooth, it's going up, and it looks stress-free, right? But if you're still out there looking for the one perfect EA to give you this result, you're playing the game on hard mode. Today, I'm going to show you why running one single EA is usually a trap and why the secret to actually sleeping at night is what I call the portfolio effect. And make sure you stick until the end because I'm going to give you a free EA with one of these strategies so you can start building this exact structure yourself. Here's the brutal truth about algorithmic trading. Every single EA looks amazing until the market changes. I've already said this multiple times, you definitely need a robust structure, but the real reason why most people lose money with bots isn't bad code, it's psychology. You run one strategy, it hits a bad phase or goes into drawdown for 3 weeks. You panic, you decide it's broken, and you turn it off at the exact worst moment. And what happens next? It recovers without you. We have all been there. A portfolio fixes this mathematically and psychologically. Look at these individual lines. They are messy, but when one system struggles, another is catching a trend. The combined curve is what keeps you in the game without losing your mind. That brings me to DoIt MultiStrategy Pro. I didn't want just to release another EA. I wanted to release a complete system. So it's technically one EA, but inside, it contains multiple independent modules. Right now, version 1 has 5 core modules: Gold, Ethereum, Euro-Yen, and Dollar-Yen. You run them on different charts, and all together, they act as a team. And the best part, I'm going to keep expanding this library, not by adding random strategies just for fun, but by adding specific roles that make the overall portfolio stronger. Now let's talk about the single most important thing: risk. A portfolio is useless if one bad trade blows the whole account. That's why I built serious word rails into this. Strict risks per trade, drawdown logic, and daily limits. Let's be real, if you have 100k funded account, a wide stop loss during a crazy gold move, it's fine because you can just reduce your lot size. But if you're trading a 500 personal account, you don't have that luxury. If you don't scale down properly, your risk explodes. You need hard rules. And a quick disclaimer, this isn't financial advice. I'm just sharing exactly what I do with my own money. And this is why I'm so obsessed with this smooth blue line. I want you to stop living in the messy, stressful lines at the bottom. Some days are flat, some days are red. That's normal in trading. But the top curve, that is what you actually experience. This is about less drama, more consistency, and finally, having a system you can leave running without checking MetaTrader on your phone every 5 minutes. Alright, and as promised, a lot of you have been asking me, how do I even start building a portfolio without messing up the risk? So I've put something together for you, completely free. You are going to get a free EA module, a real working component you can use. The goal here isn't to get rich quick, it's to build a foundation so you never rely on just one strategy again. There is no catch, no secret password, just click on the link on the top of the description, join, and I'll send it straight to your inbox. Just a quick 20 seconds update on Alpha Pulse AI for those asking. Gemini 3.1 is already live and you can select it now directly from the inputs. We are also preparing for whenever GPT 5.3 drops. My long-term vision on Alpha Pulse AI is for it to act like a small portfolio manager, switching between specialists depending on what the market is doing. But right now, if you want immediate, clean diversification, MultiStrategy Pro is the way to go. By the way, if your main goal for 2026 is scaling up your capital to trade these portfolios, I'm personally using Axie Select. The link is down below. I'm going to do a deep dive into how I approach Axie and how I think about phases and risks, so make sure you are subscribed for that. And as always guys, see you in the next one.